Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today we have actually a really quick one for you guys and a funny one. I'm going to teach you guys how to get to the Dino game on Google Chrome. So there's many ways to do it, but honestly the simplest way that I found was just by going onto the search bar and typing Chrome colon dash dash Dino. And you click on that. I'm going to show you guys what you need to type in right here, Chrome colon dash dash Dino. Click enter, and then you're brought over to the Dino game. And all you have to do to start is by pressing spacebar, and it actually makes a full screen for you to play the Dino game. We're going to actually try it out. I'm pretty bad at this, so let's see how far I can get. Yeah, never was good at video games. Well, thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like. If you have any questions down below for our previous videos, please comment. We're really good at answering them. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.